is the engineering admission time and children are ready to embark on their engineering journey. But here is the catch. Which branch of study to pursue? Should it be mechanical, electrical, electronics or computer science? And to complicate the matter further, should it be computer science or should it be computer science with artificial intelligence and machine learning? Or should it be computer science with IoT or data science or cyber security? And then which college to choose from? Should it be college with higher ranking or should it be the college which offers a good branch of study which I want to pursue? All this confusion is because majority of the children are not exposed to STEM learning during their school years. Now choosing the branch of study like engineering is an important decision because that not only impacts their success in their career but it also impacts their happiness in their life. So if you are a parent of children in age group 8 to 18 years, then get them started with learning robotics from today, because children will not only be mastering a super skill but they will also be very clear about their strengths and their interests, and that they can make wise decisions about their career and which is going to impact their success and their entire life.